poultry farmers are selling eggs, but they don't know whether they are making profit or loss. In 2026, feed prices are rising, egg prices keep on changing, and most farmers are struggling. Now the big question is, how much profit do you make per egg? In this video, I'm going to show you simple way to calculate your profit per egg to know whether your farm is truly making profit. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. And if you are new here, my name is Esther and I am poultry farmer. As you can see here, I am a small scale farmer. That is what I do. And welcome, and feel free to ask any question. Before I start showing you how to calculate the profit of an egg, I used to collect my eggs and I didn't do any calculation on my eggs and their production, so I could not even calculate my profit because I had no records. So if you want to get your profit, you need to work with your records. Many farmers only look at the money they receive when selling eggs. For example, if you sell a tray of eggs at 600 Kenyan shillings, you may think you are making good money, but if you don't calculate feed cost or medicine and the water they are consuming, or transport if you supply eggs to customers, you might actually be losing money without realizing it. So today I'll break it down step by step. Now these are my 20 chickens that I have and laying. We are going to calculate the profit I get from these 20 laying hens in a month. We have some steps to follow, and the first step is to calculate feed consumption. First, we must calculate how much feed your chicken eat. A laying hen eats approximately 120 grams of feed per day. Now let us calculate for my 20 laying hens I have right now so that we can calculate the profit I get per month. Now feed eaten per day is 120 grams times 20 chickens, and that is 2.4 kilograms per day. Now let us calculate feed eaten in 1 month, and the daily feed is 2.4 kilograms. So monthly feed is 2.4 kilograms times 30 days, and that is 72 kilograms of feed. Now let us go to step 2, and this is where we are going to calculate feed cost. Now let us calculate the cost. If a 50 kilograms of layers mash costs 3,500 Kenyan shillings, we calculate like this. Cost per kilograms, that is 3,500 divided by 50 kilograms, so that we can get the price per kilograms, and that is 70 shillings per kilograms. So feed used in a month is 72 kilograms. So the feed cost is 72 times 70 per kilograms, and that is 5,440 Kenyan shillings. So just for feed alone, 20 chickens cost about 40 shillings per month. Now step 3 is, now we can add other costs. Feed is not the only cost in poultry farming. You need to consider other expenses. Example, monthly costs are maybe like medicine or vaccination. You need to record if you have bought any medicine that month, and maybe let us say you use 400 Kenyan shillings. And the second one that you are going to consider is water or electricity. Also record this, like let us just give it like 200 Kenyan shillings. The other thing is, if you have bought egg trays or transport when supplying to your customers, maybe you use 300 Kenyan shillings. So the total extra cost is around 900 Kenyan shillings. Now step 4 is total production cost. Now we add all the costs together. That is feed cost, that is 5,040 shillings. Other costs 900 Kenyan shillings. Total per month is 5940 Kenyan shillings. This is the real cost of keeping 20 layers for 1 month. Step 5 is to calculate egg production. Now let us calculate how many eggs these chickens produce. Most good layers produce around 75% production rate, and this means out of 20 chickens, about 15 eggs are produced per day. So daily eggs, maybe 10 to 15 eggs. So monthly eggs is around 450 eggs. Step 6 is cost per egg. Now we calculate the cost of producing 1 egg, and the formula is total cost divided by total eggs produced. For example, now the total cost is 5940 shillings. You divide by the number of eggs produced per month, and that is around 13.2 shillings per egg. So it costs about 13 shillings to produce 1 egg. Step 7 is profit per egg. Now let us say I sell eggs at 20 shillings per egg, and that is how I normally sell my eggs. My profit is calculated like this. Selling price is 20 shillings. Production cost is 13.2. So you subtract 20 minus 13.2 shillings, and what I get is 6.8 shillings per egg. Profit per tray is 6.8 times 30, and that is 204 shillings per tray. Monthly profit is 450 eggs produced in a month times 6.4 profit per egg, and that is 2880 shillings I get in a month. But it can also reduce if I have many broken eggs, or if my chickens produce like 10 eggs per day. So this depends on how you take care of your chickens and the feed you use. This calculation shows something very important. Many farmers think poultry farming is not profitable, but the real problem is poor production, high feed wastage, lack of proper records, selling eggs too cheaply. When you understand your cost per egg, you can set the right selling price. If you want to increase profit in poultry farming, focus on these 3 things. First is to reduce feed wastage, use proper feeders. The second one is to improve egg production by using quality feed with all nutrients required in egg production. And the third one is always keep proper records. These 3 things can completely change your poultry business. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Esther Farm, where we share practical poultry farming knowledge. Also comment below how many chickens do you keep and how much do you sell your eggs. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Let's see you in the next one.